Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can underline text in Canva. And the best thing about it is that you can apply underline not for the entire text, but you can apply it to a specific word or even a specific letter in that text box in Canva. So I have this text box that says do it now, but I can actually just underline let's say the word now. What you need to do is you have to select the text. So I'm going to select this text. And after that, you want to click this menu that says underline, and that underline will be added to this particular text. You can also do it for a specific letter if you want. You can click underline and this is the result. And of course, this is pretty much applied on almost all fonts, even on a letter case font as well. You can click underline and you will get this result. Although keep in mind that not all fonts will be looking great when you are adding this underline, so this is probably only appropriate when it makes sense. Basically, that's the simplest way to say it. I think this is very useful to emphasize a point or emphasize a word in your text box, or you can also combine it with a different letter. So I could change the letter for this specific word, and it's going to make it more stand out compared to the rest of the document. So yeah, that's how you can underline text in Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.